Yes. So my Silverbac from Grilla Grills was dropped off at the depot up in Clackamas today, and they were unfortunately unable to get it out to me until next week. So I drove up and got it. Glad I did. I could not wait any longer. Check this thing out. That is just gorgeous. That black and the stainless steel, just awesome. I mean, this thing is bigger than I thought it was, for sure. Super heavy duty. This lid, stainless steel lid, check this out. Look at how thick that is. I mean, that is a heavy duty lid. Got all kinds of goodies inside. Got the racks, the doors for the cabinet, the chimney. Then this hopper will hold an entire 20-pound bag of pellets. That's awesome. All kinds of goodies in here, the hardware, a meat probe, tools to put it together. I mean, look at that construction. Now, I hadn't seen one of these until I did some research online. I never got to get my hands on one, but feedback and the reviews were over the top, so I went ahead and purchased it. I am glad that I did, because this thing is going to last forever. I mean, the grates, this is that extra grate that it comes with. No, I did not have to pay extra for this. Comes with it. I mean, 1/4-inch stainless steel grates, rounded off. They're not sharp edges. That is attention to detail. You're not going to cut your hand up when you're putting things in and out of there. That's, somebody was thinking. That's awesome. So I'm going to get this thing put together, and I'm going to get to grilling on my Grilla. Oh yeah. Alright, all this stuff was what was stuffed inside the cook chamber. I mean, this thing's got double wall insulation on it. It's double walled, you know, for those cold cooks. Being here in Oregon, I mean, I grill year round, so this will be nice to help maintain those temperatures when it's cold out. But, I mean, this is quality. Nice fire pot. Heavy duty. See the auger in there. That's a big auger. Hot rod. Alright. I'm going through my goodie bag here. I got everything all laid out, getting ready to get assembled. And what did I find? Cool little card. Cindy, thank you very much. I'm very excited. Also in here, I've got a Grilla Grills sticker. Awesome. Very cool. Thank you for that. And check it out. Koozie. Grilla Grills koozie. I'll be putting this to use for sure. Awesome. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. I mean, that's another thing that I found when I was doing my research, was the customer service behind your product. I mean, it's second to none, so I couldn't be happier. Thanks again. It's assembled. It's ready to go. That is 20 pounds of pellets, as advertised. Amazing. A little bit of room to spare. So I got her plugged in. I'm going to do the startup as recommended by Grilla. There we go. It's that easy. Turn it on. And then here, the heat rod just start to warm. Once the pellets start to fall into the hopper, turn it off and reinstall the heat baffle, drip pan, and cooking grates. And then we start it up again and let it come to temperature. Is that pretty impressive? 20 pounds.
20.
Yep. There we go. Oh, I've missed that smell. Alright, well, the wife requested chicken wings for the first cook on this monster, so I'm going to get those prepped while the burn-in finishes up. Man, that is just awesome. I love startup. It's the best. So let's take a look at our chicken. The wifey's chicken wings. Oh boy, they're looking good. That's what I'm talking about right there. Can't wait to do a nice long slow cook on a pork shoulder or brisket or something like that. I mean, this thing's just holding right where you said it. Outstanding.